The objective of this activity is to evaluate an algebraic expression for different number of trapeziums using matchsticks. So the trapeziums will be drawn using matchsticks. The concept of algebraic expression. Whenever you talk about an algebraic expression, the expression contains some operations and some constants and variables. The operations which are included in the expression are the plus sign, the minus sign, and the product, which is normally written between a constant and a variable or a variable and a variable. So this multiply sign, although you don't find anything drawn like a cross, you will have multiplications in the algebraic expressions. Likewise, you have some constants, that means numbers, and some variables which are literals, that means alphabets. Normally, the variables which we use in algebraic expressions are x, y, z, and so on. The constants are numbers. They can be positive numbers or negative numbers or even fractions. The operations of plus and minus, they determine how many terms are there in an algebraic expression. So if we take an example of 4x square plus 7x minus 12, this is an algebraic expression in which there is 1, 2, and 3 terms. How did we find out that there are 3 terms? Because 4x square is succeeded by a plus sign. So the second term starts from that plus sign. After 7x, you have another minus sign. So the third term starts with minus sign. And that's how you find the number of terms in an algebraic expression. The x here is a variable and the 4 is a constant, the 7 is a constant, and this term which does not contain a variable is called the constant term. The variable which we have used here is x, and x can denote any variable. That means anything which changes. In this activity, we are considering x to be the number of trapeziums. So let's see how this activity is performed using matchsticks, geometry box, and pasting material like Fevicol.
So to relate the number of trapeziums and the number of matchsticks we are using to form that trapezium, we need an algebraic expression. As you can see here, we have drawn one trapezium. So the number of trapeziums is 1, and look at the number of matchsticks here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matchsticks. Now 1 is related with the number of matchsticks we are using to make the trapezium. How many sides does this trapezium has? It has 4 sides. So if you consider that there is only one trapezium and consider the number of trapeziums as x, then this 5 can be written as 4 times x plus 1. So 4 times x because there are 4 sides, and plus 1 because on the leftmost trapezium you will require one extra matchstick. I'll show you how. This trapezium requires 5 matchsticks. Now if I have to make one more trapezium adjacent to this, then look at the number of matchsticks I am going to place. Here is the first one, the second one here like this, and then another one to be placed here like this, and another one to be placed here. See, we have drawn yet another trapezium, and this time I have not used 5 matchsticks. I have used 1, 2, 3, 4 matchsticks to get an extra trapezium, because there is one matchstick which is the common side between the two trapeziums. So if the number of trapeziums now increase to 2, as now we have 2 trapeziums here, look at the number of matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 earlier, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 will be obtained when you put 2 in place of x here. Put 2 here, you get 9 matchsticks. Likewise, if you have to make this pattern one more time, you can place one matchstick here and then another one here, 2, and then another one here, this is third one, and then another one to complete this trapezium once more. Here we go. So we have yet another trapezium, and now if the number of trapeziums are 3, then if you put x equal to 3 here, you will get the number of matchsticks. Just put x equal to 3, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and if you count the total number of matchsticks here, yes, they will be 13. Now you can carry on like this and check how many matchsticks are required for making 4 trapeziums. You will find that 4x plus 1 still works with this pattern, and you have to put x equal to 4 to get the number of matchsticks required to make 4 trapeziums of this nature. So that completes our activity on algebraic expressions.